Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to the screen of my phone. So, guys, in this video today, we'll be talking about how you can make at least 7,000 naira daily from the comfort of your home using your mobile phone. Now, this is a bit technical, but if you stick with me to the end of this video, I'll show you everything step by step, how you can go around it, double the money you're making, do more things that will bring in money using this same website. Now, the website we'll be using here is called Legit. This website is not too common because not everybody knows the secret behind this Legit website. And yes, it accepts black people. So it accepts Africans, it accepts Nigerians, it accepts, people from Ghana, it accepts you from wherever you are in the world. Because as you can see, this is a black guy. If I show you another one, this is a white guy. So definitely the website is not based on maybe you're black or white or European or something like that. The website is worldwide. You understand? Now, this website, what they do is they offer services. Yeah, it's a bit like freelancer or Fiverr or Upwork, but it is not as saturated as Fiverr or Upwork. Now, the technical aspect. Please, if you have not subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button. We got what you're looking for. Turn on the post notification bell so that whenever I upload content that will make you money like this, you will be the first to know. So let's just get straight with the video. So as you can see here, all you have to do here is to click on this register. So once you click on this register, I'll put you through this registration for it to be very simple for you. Now you type in your full name and John Oluwakemi. You type in an email. You type in a username. Maybe okay, then you type in a password. After typing in your password, the next thing here that we're looking at is the type of account you're opening. Now, this is a bit somehow because not everybody knows the type of account we're about to open here. Now, what we are going to be doing here is we're going to be rendering our services. Whether you don't worry, whether you don't have skill or whether you don't have experience, I will teach you where you can get such services and then you render it here. Now, we have buying. We are not the one buying, so people will have to come and buy from us. We have selling. That is what we want to be doing. We want to be selling. And also, you can also do buying and selling, but the exchange rate is very, very high. So we won't be doing buying and selling. We'll only be doing selling. We're selling out our services. So when we get paid, we'll transfer our money and we move. So we click on selling and then we click on this I agree to the terms and services and then you click on register. So once you click on register, you allow it to register. Now it says that I need to activate my account, which says that a pin or a link has been sent to my Gmail account. Email, and I will check for okay, this is it. This is the Gmail. Welcome to Legit Family. Now they even sent me two mails. This one obviously doesn't have that link. So this one should have the link. This one has the link. It says I should activate my account. So I'll click on this activate account. So here we have it. This is my account. This is my account. So for those of you that will be thinking, okay, all these things are arranged, the only thing you need to do here is you need to update your profile. If you want to put an image, you put an image. You understand? If you don't want, you leave it there. You input your address, your city, your state. Me, for one, I would advise you to choose maybe United States. It doesn't matter whether you are in United States or not, but advisable for you to get, more clients and all those things. You choose United States, you can choose Canada, whichever one you want, and then you update. So I won't be doing that in this video because I don't want this video to be too lengthy. These are the payment method. These are the payment method because once you start working here, you can start receiving your money. In Nigeria, if you don't have a PayPal account, use a Payoneer. Can you see it? It accepts PayPal, it accepts Payoneer, it accepts Skrill. If you are in India or China, you can use Skrill. If you are in Nigeria, use a Payoneer account. I have a video on how you can create a working Payoneer account right here in Nigeria or right here in Africa. So if you're in Africa, if you're in Nigeria, use a Payoneer account to work for you. So the next thing that we have to do right now is we have to start selling. The type of services we'll be rendering here. It's called writing. So once you update your this thing, you come here, you come to writing, you look for a particular type of writing. Now, for the purpose of this video, I'll be doing a blog posting. Yes, I'll be doing a blog posting. Now, what I'll be doing here is I'll be looking for um people that are offering writing services, you get, that are getting paid. You understand? I'll be looking for people that are offering writing services that are making it huge and getting paid here. So as you can see, this lady, she has 4.7 ratings and she has 438 reviews. Now, for you to have 438 reviews, you would have made maybe like $5,000 or $10,000 because it is not everybody that will drop their review. So just look through this. This lady is charging $10 for 2,000 plus words SEO article. This one $15, this one $29. This particular guy, Africa, has 185 reviews and is charging $10 for 1,000 words SEO content. Now, this is the particular thing we need. So now on this page here, we have to create our own gig. Now we'll be creating a gig on writing, and what we need is we'll be using $10 for 1,000 words gig. Now, if you want to create a gig, I don't want this video to be too long. You click on this profile here, you come to where it says selling, you come to services, then you create a new service. Bill them $10 for each 1,000 article. What you just have to do next, as you can see here, is I want to open a new tab. So I want to open a new tab. Since I do not know how to write, I need to look for writers that I can pay. Now, if you're also a web designer, you come here and you look for graphics and design. Graphic and design. This guy is charging $10 for five creative logos. This guy is charging $10 for 5 creative logos. So you look for someone in Nigeria or from your local store that you can hire to do these designs, and then you send to your clients. Now, for the writing, we'll open a new tab here. We open a new tab here. We type in writer's gig. I'm coming. You come to writer's gig. Now, you are not creating any gig on writer's gig, but writer's gig is showing me this thing. You use writer's gig to look for people that will work. I'm coming. Now, this is writer's gig. Now, you use writer's gig to look for people that will work. You understand? You come to where it says to your profile here, and you search for, or you come to this place and search for writers. You understand? You come to this place and search for writers. As you can see, this is a crypto website upload. We are looking for someone that can write for us. Okay. Let's come down here. Even on writers gig, some people are getting paid 200K for writing. We'll be going with this lady, this SE Injoku, this SEO content lady. So offer for 2,000. So I'll be copying her work. Now, when a client pays me $10, you understand? That is about 7,500. I will remove 2,005. As you can see, this lady is wants a blog post and she's offering 2,000 naira and she has received 41 proposals. Now, I will advise you to pick the best five proposals. Come back here and you pay the person. You pay just one person because your client has to just pick one one article. So from the 7,500 you'll be making from as $10, you pay your worker 2,000 naira and you keep the 5,005. Easy way you can use to make 5,000 naira on this website without any skill. Without any skill. You understand? So you can go in on Legit. You can go in on Legit and pick any job or create any gig for yourself, and clients will reach out to you and you do what? You get back here and look for workers on writers gig and get paid. Now this one is for designers. As you can see, these are designs. You can go on Canva. They are already made template on Canva, and this particular guy is also charging $10. So guys, that will be all on how to make money on this particular website. It is quite easy. Not everybody on this website knows how to do anything. A lot of us on this website don't even know how to do things much like that. But what are we doing? We are like middlemen that will require other people's services. That's just all, and we get paid. So guys, if you have not signed up on this website, what are you waiting for? And if you have not subscribed to our channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you.